I'm Ian Collins from WaterUps from Down Under. We're an Australian company that has designed a really interesting garden watering product. It saves lots of water, grows healthier plants and allows you to leave your plants to water themselves for long periods of time, making it easier for people in urban areas to grow food. It's been fantastic innovation. This is our WaterUps from Down Under cell. It gives you the ability to have water underneath here and grow all your food in soil above there. So that's the product. It's very simple. 100% recycled polypropylene, manufactured in Western Sydney in Australia. And our pipes and everything is also manufactured in Western Sydney out of recycled material. I grew up on an apple orchard in Western New South Wales at a place called Orange. And while it seems strange you grow apples in Orange rather than oranges in Orange, back in the 1960s, there was a huge amount of use of really bad chemicals in orchards and farming generally. And my parents were one of the first to get rid of chemicals and try and take a more organic approach to producing food. And that's really stuck with me ever since. And that's one of the reasons why I really got the passion to get back into that after I retired. So it's like closing the loop back to my childhood, as they say. If there are people in Australia that are struggling to have enough food on their table every day to eat, and we can show them how to grow their own food a little bit more easily, then I think that's a really great thing to do going forward.
It's a bit like going fishing. If a kid can catch a fish quickly and easily, he'll enjoy it at a young age. And this is a way for young kids to actually start growing produce and just seeing plants grow and producing crops very easily and healthy crops. So when I saw this, I thought this really is the way of the future for producing stuff, as Ian says, in an urban environment, on a balcony, in an apartment, literally anywhere. So I come from a place where I'm building tiny houses, and I'm actually building an ecosystem around that tiny house which is sustainable and not using a lot of water. I think it all ties in so much with the way we're going in the future, so I'm really excited about it.
There's nothing more pleasurable than going out into your own garden and seeing something that looks fantastic that's growing there, and you can pick some of it and take it in and have it for dinner. You feel a great sense of achievement, and it's not that hard. What we've hopefully been able to do is give you a foolproof way of doing that. You don't have to be an experienced gardener. You get the right soil in the beginning and the right level of compost, the plants will look after themselves.